Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Texas Chainsaw Massacre is having multiplayer is not working issue which is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, when you're having this particular issue, all you have to do is we just need to cross check the internet connection. For this we just need to go over here. As you can see, I have connected to the Wi-Fi. So right now I have to make sure that I'm having a stable internet connection. If I'm not having a stable internet connection, I'll be having a lot of trouble. So we have to make sure that we are having a stable internet connection. Once afterwards, we just need to go over here, try launching the game. Next one is all about we have to update the graphics card. So this we just need to go over here. I'll be providing a link in the description to both NVIDIA as well as for the AMD. So NVIDIA users have to go to this page, then they have to select all the details like the product type, product series, product, operating system, language, etc. Now from here we have to select this one, and over here we can also select this one and every details over here. Now from here we have to select every details, and you have to select this to Windows 11 and go for start search. Now from here, once you go for start search, what happens is, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will be able to see this. That is 537.13, which is the latest released version on August 2022-23. We just need to download this one and install. A restart is a mandatory, and try launching the game. If you're on the AMD, we just need to go over here, go to the graphics, select every details over here, and we have to go to the submit. Now from here, if you're on Windows 11, you have to download this one. If you're on Windows 10, we have to download this one. Install, restart is a mandatory, and try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to allow the game to Windows security. For this reason, we have to go over here in the search. We have to go to the control panel. We have to go to the system and security. We have to go to the Windows Defender firewall. We have to go to the allow an app or feature through Windows Defender firewall. Now from here we have to keep scrolling down and navigate to the Texas. So we have to make sure the game is added. So right now if you scroll down, you can see the Texas is added. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre is added. Make sure the private and public is enabled. So if it is not added, we have to click on change settings. We have to go for allow another app. Go to the browse and we can add it. Just go to new volume D, go to Steam library, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now from here we have to go to TSCM, select this one and go for open and add it. So I'm getting the error because the game is already added. So once we add this, just close this, and we have to go back and we need to try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to update the game. So here I'm not having the update option here. So whenever you're having the update, we'll be having the option. So if the update option is there, right click and we have to go to the properties. Go to the updates over here, and we have to go here and we have to make sure always keep this game updated. We have to set this to always keep this game updated, and once you set this up, we just need to try launching the game. Next one is all about nothing but we have to verify integrity of game file. For this we just need to go over here, right click, and we have to go to the properties, go to install it file, and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So just click on the verify integrity of game file, and once after this, go back and try launching the game. So these are the possible workarounds which you have to try when you are having an issue with the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is having an issue. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.